Look at this. It is a winter storm in the making. It is terrible driving. I can already see it. The wind is whipping. Oh my word. Here we go. And today is February 17th, 2022. Yay. Be safe. Oh my God. And this is all you can see. It is nothing but the eyeballs. It's got some ice in it. And look at all the buds. Yep, they're all sitting here cold, facing into the wind. Just like a carrier battle group. Wind is blowing hard. Oh yeah, this is what it's already looking like. Unbelievable. Yeah, just having some more fun out here. And it's snowing pretty good. It's been snowing, started with ice pellets. Started about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Right now it's 25 degrees and that guy is stuck. He barely made it out. And you can see his tracks right there. Good and stuck. All I can say is good times. We'll see how we get out of here. I don't know. What do you think? Think I should punch it? Alright, here we go. Not too bad. Going over the bridge. Gotta say, it is slick out here. Again, have a good night.